Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ayan, tignan natin yung energy update for you, July 16 to 31, 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services, ha? So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, so let's see Aries. What's the energy second half ng July? Uy, may change. 555. O iba sa inyo, maaring nakakakita kayo madalas ng repeating numbers, especially number 5. 5 is about change. Ito yung, getting out of your comfort zone. May pagbabago. Pagbabago ba saan to? Pagbabago saan? Tingnan natin. In what area of life itong change na to for Aries? Oh, sa inyong routine. Yan, daily routine ninyo, sa health ninyo, sa maaring meron kayong mga gagawing routine, healthy habits, no, para sa inyong kalusugan. Ayan. Pwede rin may pagbabago sa trabaho, schedule ng trabaho ninyo ngayong second half ng July. Awaken, ayan. So you are also awakening, spiritual awakening. Marami kang realization about life. Maari ring you are going through, itong change na to may kinalaman sa spiritual awakening ninyo. You are realizing a lot of things about yourself, about your spirituality, your belief system, and you are taking action. May ginagawa kang paraan para masimulan, magawa mo na yung mga gusto mo gawin, yung mga plano mo. Tingnan natin. Overall energy ngayong second half ng July, July 16 to 31 is the world. Wow! So this is culmination. Merong natatapos na chapter sa buhay mo. And now, you are entering that new beginning. You are taking action. Some of you opportunities abroad or anything related sa pakikipag-ugnayan sa ibang bansa, pwedeng may business ka. This is also an achievement. Meron kang ma-achieve or may accomplishment. Yan, certain level of accomplishment in what area of life? Oo, sa finances mo, sa resources mo. So, maaring may ma-accomplish ka, mabibili kang bahay, lupa, sasakyan. O, diba? Ngayong second half ng July. Or this is also your abilities, your talents, your skill set, no? Yung iyong values. Okay, your challenge is the lovers. O, pwede magkaroon ng challenging situation sa romantic connection, sa partnership, pwedeng sa business. Maging maingat sa mga kontratang papasukin, ha? Lalo na naka-retrograde pa rin si Mercury ngayong July. Meron pang post-shadow yan. So, second half talaga ng July. Be very careful. Even if yung mga bumabalik na energy ng past, ng mga ex, maging maingat. Okay? At kung papasok ka sa isang kontrata, agreement, you have to make sure na binasa mo lahat ng impormasyon. Okay? And then, opportunity mo, the devil. As an opportunity, alam niyo yung iba kasi, laging sinasabi na ang negative ng devil. Alam niyo, lahat naman ng cards, meron niyang pros and cons. Meron niyang light and shadow. So, as an opportunity, this is the light para sa'yo. No? The light side of the devil, which is about cutting unhealthy habits, toxic situation. So, pwedeng yan yung change para sa'yo. Alam mo na anything that is no longer serving you, you are cutting that. Inaalis mo na yan sa sistema mo. And then your blessing. What's the blessing? Wow, the Wheel of Fortune. Part ng change to para sa inyo. Dinadala ka ngayon sa iyong destiny, sa life's purpose mo. I feel like someone is also helping you, reaching out to you. Pwedeng merong nagme-mentor sa'yo ngayon. On how to be better. Kumbaga part ng yan, mga pagbabago sa'yo. Merong pintong nagbubukas. So, congratulations sa inyo, Aries. Major changes ngayong second half ng July. May kinalaman sa health ninyo, sa daily routine, sa inyong trabaho, day-to-day life, and even sa inyong resources. Oo, sa inyong kaperahan. Okay, what else for Aries second half ng July? Conclusions are within reach. So, meron ka ng clarity. May mga kaliwanagan na para sa'yo sa mga bagay na nalilito ka. Whether this is career mo, mga plano mo, direksyon na tatahakin mo. And you will also find balance in your situation. So, part ng decision making mo yan. You are weighing the pros and cons. Tsaka ano rin yan, yung self-care. What else for Aries? Okay, meron na namang Libra energy dito. So, you have Uranus. Oh, this is change. Parang ito na pinapakita talaga sa inyo may pagbabago. May pagbabago pagdating sa inyong knowledge, maaring may mga pag-aaralan kayo. Something that you really want to do, something that you want to explore. Pwedeng bagong kaalaman, bagong connections, kaibigan. Meron ding change related sa siblings, no? Kasi the third house is about siblings, how you connect with others. And the third house is also your daily commute, yung pang-araw-araw mo, kung paano ka mag-operate every day. So, kanina may sixth house na lumabas rin, di ba? So, meron din ditong, this is nice kasi may Wunyo. Wunyo is about happiness, joy, pleasure. May mga kaganapang magiging masaya ka. Pwedeng may bakasyon. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong, medyo kailangan mag-ingat, no? Itong now this, may limitations, may delay. Isipin mo na lang na kapag ang isang bagay hindi natutuloy, or parang may nakikita mo may blockage sa'yo na gawin yun, maaring hindi pa yun para sa'yo, or that is part of the protection. Okay? You also have, this is Lagos. Lagos is about your emotions. So, maaring you might feel emotional second half ng July. That's purging, okay? Kailangan mo lang ilabas yan. Kung naiiyak ka, iiyak mo. Just go with it, no? Kasi mas magiging magaan yung pakaramdam mo. Kasi pwede magkaroon ka ng frustration sa mga bagay na nagbabago sa buhay mo or yung mga bagay na hindi mo na-achieve. But you know what? Kung para sa'yo eh. No? At kung ano yung para sa'yo, dun ka mas magiging masaya at mas magiging fulfilled. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.